G'day, it's TotalScumbagRC. Just a quick follow-up video with the Radiomaster MT12 support ticket. I contacted the team because this dial here, you can see it adjusting, was stuck on -2 when it was centered. You can see it in the previous video, and I couldn't work out how to fix it. They sent me an easy solution, which I probably wouldn't have worked out honestly. So you press System, you page across to get to the hardware page. And then these pots here, stock, are just set to pot. So if you just got this radio, like I did, they'll be set to pot. So what they said was change it to pot with det, pot with det, and then you just go up to the top and click the wheel on calibration. You center the start, enter the start, so enter, and then set axis midpoint so everything is centered. So you press enter, and then move the axis. So I'll just use the trigger up and down, do the steering left and right, and I'll do the pots, and you can see those adjusted there. So even when you do this, if it's saying -2, it will still be out of whack on this little, or you can see actually it's still showing a little bit less there on that one, so it's -2 or whatever, but it's fine. Press enter when I'm done, and then back, and that will center up the pots. Everything working fine. I've got just the steering set to 50 for my F1 to full throttle, but then 70 brake for the brake. Oh yeah, everything's Radiomaster M12's killer. Still a more in-depth video on how I'm liking it coming soon. I just wanted to follow up on that support ticket, and thank you to the Radiomaster support team. I'm gonna play some Breakout.
X-Lite Breakout.
Oh, I need 2 hands probably. Pull stick up. Oh no, just 1 hand. Yeah, I'm terrible at that. Have a good day.